Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, this is the hairstyle of the year. Purple and black ombre distress locks. Let me tell you, it's the bomb. Just look at it. Look at the colors. Look how they pop. I cannot wait to show you guys how easy and simple this hairstyle is. All right, let's get going. Okay, you guys, you always want to start with the fresh washed and conditioned hair. I had conditioned it right now, that's why it looks a little wet. So I'm actually going to plait them up and then leave them overnight to dry, just to loosen them up a little bit, because you don't want your hair to be too tight when you're putting in these locks. It's really going to hurt and you won't get any sleep. So trust me, do not make these plaits too tight. I twist them on the ends as well. First off, you guys, I do like to say I would like to show you guys, always try to show you the back of my hair and how to do it, because the back of your hair is harder than the front of your hair. So I like to show you that, to show you how versatile it could be, and how it's not that hard, but it could be challenging. But just take it slow, you guys, and you'll make it right through it. Kind of fan it out, and then I made sure I match up, to get it matched up with the other ones, to make sure the other twist, are not too long or not too short for it. So when you're twisting, remember, make sure do not twist too hard on your edges. That's the main thing that I'm really concerned about. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down for you guys right here. I'm gonna stick my thumb in the part to where I'm twisting, where I'm wrapping. Stick your thumb there and then wrap around the top of it and then wrap around the bottom of it, and then you'll get that butterfly look that you're going for. And I continue to go faster because I kind of got the hang of it, so work with me, you guys are gonna love this. It didn't take me that long, actually. It really only took me about 4 hours. Because these are medium. They're not small and they're not large. They're medium, so it didn't take me that long. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so as I am going, the other piece that I left inside, you're gonna butterfly fan that out, and then you're gonna wrap the rest of that around the rest of your hair. When I actually get to the end, depending on where I want it to stop, I'm going to just wrap the rest of it. I'm going to cut off the twisted up hair. I'm going to cut that part off to where I want it, and then I'm going to wrap the purple hair, the water wave purple hair. I'm going to wrap that upward. And there are other ways on how to lock your locks. Some people burn them, some people dip them. I prefer to just go ahead, and when I get to the end, I'll wrap them going straight up and then kind of mash them together. It's easier for me that way. Guys, make sure you're taking your time just so you can get them nice and neat. because the neater you get them, you know, it's going to look nice and professional. You're going to be like, oh my God, I did that. I promise you, you're going to get a great outcome on it if you take your time and do it right, sweetheart. This is the final tee-hee-hee, you guys. You can style them any way you want. However you style them, they're going to be sexy. They're going to be hot. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Please let me know how you feel in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel, my sweethearts. I'll see you guys next time.